We have recently talked about cloves here on the channel, and after many requests, we decided to teach you a very easy recipe to reap all the benefits that clove has to offer. With clove water, it is possible to lose weight, improve digestion, relax muscles, alleviate coughing, and eliminate mucus, besides alleviating allergies. Do you want to know more about clove? Watch the suggested video. Do you want to learn how to make clove water? In a bowl or bottle, put a handful of cloves in some water and let it soak during the night. In the morning, it is recommended to take 3 or 4 tablespoons of clove water before your breakfast on an empty stomach, no more than 5 spoonfuls. Besides that, it is also suggested doing it in the morning when brushing your teeth. The rest of the water can be stored in the fridge for 3 or 4 days. For better results, it's suggested to drink clove water every day during a month. According to studies, clove is known for eliminating parasites from the body, and drinking clove water every day will strengthen your immune system. Nose, ears, and throat all absorb the protective properties of clove and help avoid colds and flus, since these tissues are our first line of defense. According to Yogi Bhajan, author of this recipe, consuming clove water during the beginning of spring will make you healthier, but keep in mind, clove is contraindicated for pregnant women, nursing women, and children under 6 years. It is also not recommended in cases of gastritis or ulcers. This spice can irritate the skin and digestive mucosa of more sensitive people, and thus, it must be used with the recommendation of a health professional. Clove has a substance called eugenol which slows down blood clotting. That's why you should not drink clove tea or its dried extract 2 weeks before a scheduled surgery. Did you know the benefits of this recipe? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.